Hello students, I have last year question paper, NEET UG 2023 question paper with me and OMR sheet. Let me share details like how a OMR sheet will be and what details you have to fill in the exam hall. However, invigilator will give you the instruction. Please follow those instructions. This is to keep you informed how should you fill it. Okay, so these are not the final instructions, just to keep you prepared for the exam hall. Okay, so this is how your test booklet will be. Okay, first thing, once you get the test booklet, they have mentioned the booklet contains 32 pages including rough work, so check whether you have all 32 pages. Second thing is there is a test booklet code and you have your OMR sheet. This is a double sheet. Don't open the double sheet, you have to use it as such. Okay, don't worry whether it's a single or double sheet. You are going to answer only on the original copy. There is another copy, don't remove that copy. You have to have it as such till the completion of the exam. Hand over the OMR sheet as such, okay, after completing the exam. So you can bring back only the test booklet with you. So OMR sheet, the double sheet should be handed over to the invigilator. Don't open this. So once you have the test booklet, check whether the test booklet code that in the test booklet and the OMR sheet is same. If the test booklet has A, see that OMR sheet also has the test booklet code as A. And you have your roll number in your admit card. Fill in the roll number in this OMR sheet without any mistake. Okay, so be careful, be slow, clearly write your roll number, and once you have written, write each and every number in one box and shade it properly. If your number is 34101, first number is 3, fill in the first box 3, shade 3. Second number is 1, write 1 and shade 1. So fill in all the numbers in 1 in each box. Complete this. Second, go for test booklet number. So you have every test booklet has a number. Okay, so the number is unique. So write this number in the space given and shade those number also. Code we have already verified. This should be same as that we have in the test booklet. And below this OMR sheet, you have the declaration by the candidate, where the candidate will sign and give a declaration. First thing is they have to sign. So when they are signing, last year they have given that signature should be signature with the time they have signed. So these instructions the invigilator will give you in the exam hall. However, you can be prepared mentally. These are the things you should not miss. Okay, so you have to sign and write your name. And similarly, you have your mother's name to be written and then your father's name to be written. And there is a space for thumb impression. The invigilator will collect your thumb impression in that place. So you wait for the invigilator to bring the phasomile for giving the thumb impression. And signature of the invigilator, there is a space for that. The invigilator will sign the OMR sheet. Okay, and you will have an attendance sheet in the exam hall where you will paste the passport size photo that you are carrying, and you have to sign the attendance sheet twice. Okay, and one important thing is once you enter the exam hall at the entry time mentioned in your admit card, you should not leave in the middle of the exam. You cannot, if you complete the exam by 1 hour, you cannot leave in the middle of the exam. You can leave only after completion of the exam time. That is, your exam time is between 2 to 5:20. You can leave the hall only after 5:20. And when you are leaving the hall, it is your responsibility to hand over the OMR sheet to the invigilator. So don't keep any dots anywhere. You have 4 columns for 4 subjects, separated for section A and section B. Shade it correctly. Okay, so don't do any overlapping shading, shade it correctly, and I think by now you would have got trained for shading. And after completion of your 5 or 20 minutes time, once the invigilator asks you to submit the OMR sheet, you have 2 copies. Hand over it safe to the invigilator and then leave, and wait for the invigilator to give instructions to leave, and then you leave the exam hall. Okay, all the best. Thank you.